Hello and welcome back to my First Mustang. In case you missed the first episode, our first very rough cut. My name is Rob, this is Nathaniel, and we are trying to get this barn find 1966 Ford Mustang back on the road. Now the first episode was just an introduction, but now we're really getting started. You ready to get started? Yeah. Let's go out there.
I did thumbs up.
They probably couldn't see it because it was behind my head.
All the way down there.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I actually got with hand.
Maybe. So what I was saying was, we've been poking around for a while in here, and we're happy to say that there is an engine in it. But the big question is, will it turn over? There are a few good signs. We have all new spark plugs. Well, is that a good sign or is that a bad sign?
Good.
Maybe all new spark plugs means that they tried to get the thing started and then it wasn't working, so they gave up and sold it. Or it means that it was running perfectly before.
Maybe it was.
I don't know. But there is a dead battery, so we're gonna have to charge that up.
I got the charger.
You have a charger? Nathaniel has the charger. A few other pieces of good news. All the wiring's here. I see the starter solenoid. This all looks good. I'll pop all these. Number 2.
I didn't know that the Mustang has a fan, Dad.
Yeah, but that's the radiator fan.
What's a radio? I love you, Dad.
Oh, I love you.
The radiator hose takes coolant that goes from around the engine and puts it through the radiator where fans blow on it and cool it down. That's how your engine cools down, because otherwise it would get way too hot because there's tons and tons of explosions happening in each of these cylinders. Get it?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Let's get this engine started. That's our song.
Number 3.
I just touched a wire.
Be careful with the wires, buddy.
Dad, what do these chargers do?
Okay. Plug. This red one goes to the red, and the black one goes to the black, and then we plug this into the wall, and you're not going to touch anything. Wait, no.
You mean the
This
red?
is electricity, and you can't mess with it, okay? We have to be careful with electricity.
I'll be careful. How about I do the red?
No, you're not going to touch the electricity. Only Dada is.
How about I do the red and you do?
No.
How about you do the red, I do the black?
No, son. Hey, you, over there.
Is
63%.
it almost done, Dad?
Nope.
Dad, is it almost done?
Nope.
Now?
Nope. We have a while.
Now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope, not now.
Dad?
Yeah?
Dad, why are we doing this?
We're waiting. Hey, tell you what, here's an idea. Why don't we sit down in the car and talk?
Better.
Okay, let's sit down in the car.
My only guys. Or do I have to get?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a whole lot of work to this car.
Okay.
So what I'm telling Nathaniel right now is we actually bought this car sight unseen from the other side of the country. It's been in California for I don't know how long. And
Why in California?
well, I was in California because there are a lot of good cars out in California.
Why did you go to California?
I didn't go to California. We had the car shipped here from California. We got the car sight unseen from California. I didn't know anything about it. It was sitting in a junkyard somewhere. Apparently the previous owner had the car. I don't know how long it was sitting, and it was donated to charity. Perhaps it was part of an estate, and the charity sold it to a scrapyard, which was a big mistake. And it was later sold at an auction online. So I was scrolling through the internet looking at all these car auctions online. I saw this car come up. I didn't know anything about it, but it was the style of body that I liked, and it was the style of it was the year of Mustang that I was excited about. A really important detail about this car that I haven't shared with you yet is that it's not actually my car. It is his, and that's why I'm sitting in the passenger seat. What do you think we should do with this car?
Maybe make it into red. I want to put red, blue, and purple on this car.
Purple?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
And blue. Blue goes with everything.
As I was trying to say, we have a whole lot of work to do on this car. But you know, we got it to be an adventure as a family. We got it as something that we're going to work on together. We need YouTube. We need this car community to help us because there's no chance that we're going to be able to do this by ourselves.
No.
I mean, what do we even start with?
No idea. Maybe the handles. Maybe
Start with the handles. So why don't you guys tell us what you think that we should do with this car? I mean, should we do a full NOS restore on it?
They can't talk into the microphone.
Nathaniel, they can comment on the videos.
Does comment mean?
The guys who understand cars a little bit better than we do, people who know Mustangs a little bit better than I do, we need you to comment. We need to hear, what should we do with this car? I mean, what's step one? Do we do a full NOS restore on it? You know, using all original parts? Do we get this thing like it just rolled off of the production line? Or do we do a Restomod? Do we drop a better engine into it? Do we get rid of this automatic transmission and make it into something that's really fast? Upgrade the brakes, upgrade the suspension.
How about making it into a race car?
Do we make it into a race car? The point is that there is so much that we could possibly do.
I love making a car into a race car because I love race cars and ninjas and army men. Oh, what is this? Found something.
Oh, that's an air freshener. We need you to comment. We need you to subscribe.
Who's on the ground?
Okay. We need you to comment. We need you to subscribe. We need to hear. What does the community want to see out of this video? I mean, here's the big thing. We don't know much about cars, so we were going to be videotaping all of this anyway so that we could go back and figure out how to put it all back together again. So...
Are we going to invite any of them go to our house to work on the car?
Does anybody want to come over and help?
I don't think that they're going to say no. Those are birds. There's some more birds. I know what birds. Cheep, cheep. More birds.
Well, through the magic of YouTube editing, it is now just about charged. Are you ready, Nathaniel? Ready to get it started?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Hooked up all the spark plug leads. Oh, wait, we have one more over there.
Oh,
So the battery is all charged up and we are ready to give it a shot. What do you think? You excited? Yes. Nathaniel, do you have the keys?
No.
I don't have the keys.
Me. Grammy doesn't have the keys.
Grammy doesn't have the keys?
Mom? No.
Mommy doesn't have the keys?
No one!
There are no keys.
So, how do we turn on this car?
Well, Dada has a few ideas. Hey guys, tune in next time for the next episode. It's coming up real soon, where we're going to figure out how to get this thing started with no keys.
How?
Hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notified when we put up a new video.
Hit subscribe. How about you be a professional skateboarder?
I can't skateboard.
Take skateboarding lessons.
Can you tell them to subscribe?
Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. I'll push this button.
No.